Korodong manandala machuok to oganda yango odiochieng' Christmas tendarita kwee ma Kisumu wacho ni ikruok oseket makare eneno ni ji duto dhialo odiochieng'no kod kwee. Jalup County Commissioner ma Kisumu Central Hussein wacho ni onge obila mabiro dhi e yweyo kendo gisechako wuotho okinyi kod otieno eneno ni odinne jomaundu. Owacho ni jogo madhi e safar kendo matiyo kod nyamburko e apaya nyaka lure tir kod chike mag apaya. Ne olosi alap ma Obunga Stadium kama ne ochake ayanga chenro mar pidho yien kalure kod chik mayande ogol kod jatend piny William Arita.
Mkibanda mti hata 10 ama 15
makofi. Alafu naomba shughuli ya serikali kwa upandaji wa OCS amepanda mti.
Security is taken care of. We have intensified patrols both day and night to ensure that the system remains calm. We are also looking for some 2-3 criminals who have been terrorizing people, and we want to make sure that we have given ourselves a target before Christmas, before 25th. We want to make sure that the 3 fellows who have been disturbing people around are put behind bars. We are also putting on notice those who are peddlers of drugs and substance abuse that the war is on drug peddlers and substance abuse.
Today we decided as a club to plant the trees as per the directive of the government of 1 billion trees. So as a Bunga Football Club, we thought it wise that before we go for Christmas, we do this today.